Hey y'all, it's your girl TyGrr here, aka Doja Cat. Um, I woke up because I couldn't sleep, and I had remembered that I had something in the refrigerator that I had originally took out the freezer to thaw out, to cook, and then I forgot about it. So I just remembered. Um, so I was like, okay, while I'm up, let me go ahead and cook it because I don't want it to go bad or anything like that. I know a lot of people, some people don't eat it, some people love it. I'm one of them people that love it because it's packed with iron and things like that. And I need that in my life now that my thyroid was removed. So let me tell y'all what that is. That is a dish called liver and onions. Yes, liver, beef liver and onions. Some people don't eat it, but I do. So let me show y'all what I. And I made homemade gravy, and I'm gonna put it on a bed of rice. And there it is. Um, I fried it first, then I put it back in the skillet and made gravy with some onions. So I got it on a really low heat right now because it's pretty much done. I'm just letting it cook a little bit more to get nice and tender. But yeah, y'all, I grew up on food like this, because we Southern. And I love me some liver and onions. And yeah, I made a little pot of rice. And so yeah, this is what we're gonna have to eat today. Um, like I said, it's pretty much done. I'm just letting it like saute in the homemade gravy stuff for a little while. It's good. I almost ain't big enough. It was only 4 pieces, but you be breaking them up like in half or whatever. Some of them I broke in half, some of them I didn't. So yeah, my gravy is superb. It tastes real good. It got a nice brown color. Ooh, that's so good. That is so good. Yeah, y'all. So that's what I made today. Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna just keep letting this continue to cook on low heat. Then I'm gonna cut it off because it's pretty much done. Wow, and this is the first meal I'm sharing on my new TikTok channel. All right, everybody. Have a great day, blessed day. Tune in for more cooking with Doja Cat, aka TyGrr. Bye. And yeah, as y'all can see, um, you can look at it and tell. Like I said, I've really been working with my hair um, since I was losing hair from my thyroid medication. And as y'all can see, it's growing back. The longer my hair gets, the straighter it gets. Yeah, so, all right, y'all. Bye.